welcome back to Rituals. Got a special pickup today. These right here, woo, caught these on a shock drop. Before I show you guys exactly what's in the box, you probably already read the title, but if you don't mind, be so kind to go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and give this video some likes. Let's try to get this above 1,000 likes. Okay, so this right here was received on a shock drop. Got these very early. I don't know the exact release date, but I paid $110 for these. And it's a shoe that I don't typically wear, but when I saw the colorway, I was like, yeah, I have to have those. So without further ado, here we go. These right here are the Nike Dunk Lows in the white and university red colorway. Man, these right here, woo, sweet. Loving these shoes, man. Loving these. I'm definitely gonna hit you guys with an on-foot look of these sneakers, as well as in another separate video, I'm gonna do a styling video where I style these shoes with some nice outfits. But man, this right here, definitely a must-have. Must have these in the collection. Like I said, I'm not real big on the dunks, especially the lows, but when I saw this colorway, I was like, I gotta try to get these. And it was a surprise shock drop, because I just happened to be on the app, and then it said these are releasing at 8 a.m. I think this came out a few days ago. I'll put the day on the screen and more of the information on the shoe on the screen. But a really nice leather. Look at that. Oh man, that's the good stuff. The qualities on these were extremely great. The quality was excellent on this pair of shoes. On these pairs of shoes. You know what, Nike, sometimes it could be hit or miss with the quality of shoes, but these right here were absolutely amazing. The color blocking is very similar to the Pandas, the black and whites, but where it's black at, it's red. And like I said, definitely loving these. I'm not really a big fan of the Panda shoes because everybody wears them. We went to Beamer Invasion a couple weeks ago out there in LA, and a lot of people had the Pandas on, and I kind of like doing things a little different. But like I said, when I saw these in a white and red colorway, I was like, yeah, I gotta get these. I don't care if they make a lot of these or not. I just want them. But it looks like they're super limited. I've been trying to find an actual release date on them, and I can't find the information. If I do, I'll put it somewhere right here in the video where you guys can grab yourself a pair. But yeah, like I said, I paid $110 for these. They come with extra laces, white right here, which is good. So you can do white laces. It come with the original red that's already in, and then come with the white laces. You see these shoes, they were already unlaced because I tried them on foot already to see if they fit. They fit great. They actually feel amazing. But like I said, I'm gonna hit you guys with an on-foot look of these. And let me show you guys what's in the box. It's your standard tissue paper. You got your little green tab right here in the box. Right there. That's pretty much it that came with the box. The actual color code is white, university red. That's it. I mean, it's right there on the box. But yeah, definitely loving these shoes. And without further ado, let me hit you guys with the on foot.